Good morning, my dear. I hope each and everyone is fine. Students, today I am going to discuss some topics that are related with PowerPoint. As already first part in which I have given the introduction of PowerPoint, today I will be discussing some other topics like basic elements of a slideshow, creating a new presentation, working with different views of a slides. Students, you all are aware of PowerPoint. You are having some elements, the main elements, yes, in a slide. So what are the main elements that you will see, yes, in your slide are first, slide. Second, placeholder. Third one, title slide. So these are the topics which you have to know, my dear. My first part is slide. I hope everyone is aware of slide. Students, a slide is a single screen of a presentation. When you are using your slide pane, you can see only one slide at a time. Okay. And every presentation is composed of several slides. Next one is the placeholder. You might have seen the dotted rectangular box in your slide. That is called the placeholder. See, let me open the PowerPoint. Now, you can see, my dear, this one you can see dotted, these lines. This is called your placeholder. Okay, this part. I'm talking about this part. Okay. So what is a placeholder? Students, a placeholder is a container that is used to display what? Contents such as text, pictures, table, chart, audio, video, whatever that links. Okay. A placeholder can be resized, moved, and edited in a PowerPoint. Placeholders are displayed in the form of a dotted rectangular box and are found in all built-in slide layouts. Every layout, every slide that you are going to add, there you will see a rectangular dotted box. So this one part is known as placeholder. The built-in slide layout includes different types of contents placeholders. One can opt to use the default placeholder or modify the slide layout via the slide master. I'm going to show you just now. You can see. Yes, I want to have a new slide. You see, many are there. Anyone I'm selecting. You see, here also you are having the dotted one. Every slide you see, every slide, whichever you selected, that all are having the placeholder. Okay. Now, My next part, that is title slide. You know, by default, when you open the PowerPoint, yes, which the slide you get it. Just wait. Let me open this. Now, by default, you get a slide. I'm talking about this title slide. Okay. A title slide in a PowerPoint can take on many different, yes, definitions. But in both cases, it is the first slide in the slide deck and appears in the PowerPoint workspace, yes, when that presentation is open. Just now, when I open, you got the two part. Yes, by default, what are the two part? First one is your text box. Okay, that is for the title. And other also text box that you are getting, that is for the subtitle. You see, this is the first text box. This is for your title. And you have the other text box that is for subtitle. Okay. Now the next part, that is different views of a slide. You know, in PowerPoint, you have the views like normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, note space view, reading views, and slideshow views. You know, students, by default, you have which view? That is normal view. Students, normal view is the main editing view where you write and design your presentation. Okay. Now the next view, that is your outline view. That is your outline view. So what is outline view? Students, outline view allows you to see an outline of the presentation that you are creating. You can also work within the outline view. It contains three main areas. First one, the current slide. Second one is your outline. And third one is notes. Okay. Students, you can do everything that you can normally do. Yes, within the normal view. Yes, add text, add images, add transition, yes, add animation, this all. You will be able to see the slide contents within outline pane. It is important to note that you will only be able to see the text. If there is no text on the slide, then it will be empty within the outline area. That means I have my slide. There is no title, there is no subtitle. Then what it will show? Yes, it will not show anything in your outline view. Okay. Now my next part, that is slide sorter view. Okay, so what is slide sorter? Students, slide sorter view, yes, it gives you a view of your slide, yes, in thumbnail form, in a miniature form, where you will not have only one slide, you will have multiple slides. So what type of facilities that you will be getting in slide sorter view? First one, you can add or remove slides. Second one, you can reorder slides. You can yes, have the duplicate slides. You can change the position, that is shuffling of the slides also can be done. Wait. Now, I was talking about the slide sorter view. I will show you, my dear, how the slide sorter view can help you. You see, just now I'm working in first slide. Okay, I'm going to write here, yes, details of HTML. Okay, HTML is a markup language. Okay, now I'm going to work on the second slide. I'm going to create a new slide. Okay, here we can create web pages. I don't want, you see, I've already said you can change, yes, or you can move your placeholder anywhere. You can see it. Just let me make it short and I can be able to move anywhere. You see, it is moving. Now, here, important points. So some more slides I am going to make. Yes, here I am marking as 3. Okay. Control M, Control M is the shortcut key. Now, just now you can see how many slides I have made. 4 slides. Now, what is the slide sorter? First of all, you will click on view menu and click on slide sorter. Understood? You can see normal view. You can see outline view, that also already I discussed. Let me again say. Just now I'm having one slide. I'm having one slide. Wait, let me come in. Now I'm having the 5th slide. Have I added the text? No. I'm going to remove it. I'm not going to write anything here. What will be shown in the outline view? You see, my dear, it will have no information of the slide. You see, I'm clicking on outline view. You see? Yes, first one it is showing, second one, third one, fourth one. What's about the 5th one? Because I haven't defined the title, I haven't defined the subtitle. Okay, now, next part, that is the slide sorter. I'm talking about this one. You can see yours in slide sorter view, your slides are shown as thumbnail. Now, what the facility I can get it? I want no details of HTML should be at the last. How I will move it? I will keep my cursor here and I will drag it from here to there. What happened? My position of the slide has been changed. I said you that you can be able to delete the slide. Okay. I have this 4th slide. I don't want. Out of 5, this 4th slide will not be there. I want only 4 slides. So I will click here and I will choose a delete slide. Now what happened? The 4th slide has been deleted. Now, next one, what I said, you can have the duplicate slide. I like this one slide, details of HTML. This slide I like. Okay, I want the duplicate slide of this one. What I will do, I will click the right mouse button and choose duplicate slide. Now what happened? One more slide, same, having the same contents that has been, yes, shown earlier, same it is showing in the new slide also, because it is not a new slide, it is a duplicate slide. So later on, if you want to have any changing, you can do it. Okay, but one thing, keep it in mind, slide sorter view never give you the facility to edit your data. If you want to edit your data, you must have to go to which view? Normal view. Just you see, here I am trying, it cannot be, but double time when I will click, I can change it. Clear? So let me come back. Now, it helps you to add a new slide. How? Click the right mouse button and choose new slide. One new slide has come, you can see. So these are the benefits of slide sorter view. Now, the next part, wait. Next part is notes page view. Okay. So what is notes page view? Now, students, when you are wait, let me, okay, when you are in the notes view, you are able to add, yes, written notes which you can, yes, then see when you are in when you are in presenter view. If you select the notes page, when in the printing option, you will be able to print the notes that you write here, my dear. Along with text, you can also add images, shapes to the notes section. These would also be printed, but you cannot add, you cannot change the transition and animation effect in notes page view. Just you see here, notes page view is here. Now you can see. Here you can have all these things one by one. Now, third one, same way I want a fourth one. Like this, you can go in notes view and you can have this one. Okay. Now, the next one is a reading view. Listen, what is the role of reading view? Reading view allows you to run through your presentation. Yes, as run through your presentation, you can say you cannot make any changes. Yes, when you are in the reading view, please keep it in mind, two views are there. Here your reading view and notes page view, and one more view I have said you, where you cannot modify your data, you cannot do changing in the transition effect, you cannot do any changing in the animation effect. So these are the views which will never give you such type of facilities. Only one view is there, that is the normal view, where you are free to edit, to add animation effect, transition effect. Okay. Now, the last view is my slide. So, when your work is completed, my dear, then you use the slideshow view to show your presentation on a full screen. Okay, students, slideshow view Yes, is used to deliver your presentation to your audience. Slideshow view occupies the full computer screen, my dear, exactly like an actual presentation. So, whenever you want to show your presentation to your audience, first you must have to work in the normal view. Whatever transition effect that you have to apply, do it. Whatever animation effect you have to apply, do it. And once you are satisfied, even you have the rehearsal timing also. So once you are satisfied that my all the slides already having the effects, then finally you can click on slideshow view and can show your presentation. As my presentation is what? Not done, because only I have created the slide. But let me show it. Let me show it. Let me remove these unwanted slides which are not important. Now I have the two slides. So I want this one effect. So I will select this one, animation, wipe. Okay. Now next one, important points. One by one I'm going to do it. Float in. Okay. Now next part. Is your slide 2 details of HTML. You want animation, pulse. Next one, it is a markup language. There also you can have some other effects, motion path, 5-star. Okay. Now I have already given this all effects. Now finally I will give the transition effect. So what the transition effect is? Split. Okay. Now students, you can give the duration also. Yes. Now, as my work is completed, now I'm going to run it. Here you have the slideshow. Understood? You can use the F5 key also. Now I have to run from the beginning. So from the beginning. Now you can see the presentation. So whatever I have done it, that all have been. Now, whether these all animation and transition effect work in these all views like slide sorter, notes pane, wait. Yes. See, whether it should work in slide sorter view, you can change it, never. In note space, never. In reading view, never. So these views will never give you the facility to modify, yes, your text, pictures, or even the effects. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Thank you.